Kevlar. We've all heard of it before, or perhaps even used it. Whether it fits for bulletproof vests, bicycles, or car tires, it's used in many things around the world. But why is Kevlar so special? What is Kevlar, and why is it used in so many different things? Kevlar was discovered by a woman named Stephanie Quillet, who was working for the DuPont Company. The DuPont Company had several major breakthroughs in the past, and were looking for a new material which has strong and stiff fibers. At first, the experiment had been done to find a stronger material to reinforce tires, which wouldn't melt at high temperatures. However, during one of these experiments in which polymers were being dissolved, Quillet stated that, ordinarily, a polymer solution sort of reminds you of molasses, although it may not be as thick, and is generally transparent. This polymer solution poured almost like water, and it was cloudy. I, Ms. Quillet, thought there's something different about this, and this may be very useful. Realizing the potential of this new material, they spun the material around until the material turned into a new fiber. They tested the newfound substance and was astounded by its amazing strength. Later on, they incorporated the Kevlar technology for making bulletproof vests. But what exactly is Kevlar, you may ask? Well, Kevlar is a synthetic material made out of polymer, which is a chain of monomers bonded together. The scientific name for Kevlar is polypyraphenylene terephthalamide. Each monomer of Kevlar has 14 carbon atoms, 2 nitrogen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms, and 10 hydrogen atoms. Furthermore, a Kevlar fiber is an array of molecules lying parallel to each other in a crystalline structure. The molecular weight of Kevlar is 256.257 grams per mole. The structure can only be obtained through a process called spinning, creating the strong and rigid fibers of Kevlar that we see. The individual polymer strands are held together by hydrogen bonds, and the aromatic components of Kevlar polymers have a radial orientation, allowing a high degree of symmetry and regularity to the internal structure of the fibers. Basically, polymers, which the fibers are made out of, are knitted in such a way that the material has great strength. You may be asking, what's so special about Kevlar? Why not use something like steel? The issue with steel is that, although it may be protected to some extent, it is considerably heavy and is not ideal for things which require to be light, such as vests. To add on to that, Kevlar is said to be 8 times stronger than steel and 20 times stronger than steel in water. And though it may be a type of plastic, it does not melt under normal temperatures. Kevlar is currently used for bulletproof vests mainly, but can also be found to be used in tires, wires, and other cases where a strong, light replacement is required instead of steel or something too weak to do the job. Kevlar is also used for the sails of windsurfing, which can withstand the force of 60 miles per hour winds.